Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 8th of April. The euro is weakening against most of its major counterparts early in the European session as investors worldwide are trying to digest Friday's ruling by the Portuguese Constitutional Court. They rejected a number of austerity measures, such as a scrapping of 14th month salary for civil servants as unlawful. The government expected 1.2 billion euros in savings if the measures were approved and has condemned this decision as it puts the debt-ridden nation in a fragile position. The US dollar is trading higher against the Japanese yen, currently above 98.50. The question every trader should be asking himself is not whether the pair will advance above the 100 figure, but when. The British pound is weakening across the board following a 2-month high recorded on Friday against the US dollar at 153.69. Gold rallied on Friday after a worse-than-expected US non-farm payroll print. Consensus expectations was the creation of 200,000 new jobs in March, and the release of the actual 88,000 figure weakened the greenback, pushing gold as high as 158.124. The GER30 crashed on Friday, dropping to 7686.30 from 7820. A similar picture is painted by all major indices as risk aversion heightens. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.35. The dollar-yen pivot points at 97.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 97.15. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 104 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 152.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 152.60. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 101.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.95. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 93.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 93.55. The gold pivot points at 1560 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1560. The silver pivot point at 26.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 26.95. The US 500 is at 1550 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1550. And the UK 100 is at 6280 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6280. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 8:30 GMT in Europe, we have the Centix Investor Confidence forecast to drop to minus 12.6. And at 10 GMT, also in Europe, we have the German industrial production month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.4%. And our pair of interest to start the week is the euro-yen. The euro is advancing against the Japanese yen as market participants appear to have full confidence in Kuroda's ability to devalue the exporting nation's currency. The pair commenced the weekly session higher, more importantly above Friday's high 127.29. The upward trend looks robust, and this level is now expected to act as a support and a great entry point for long positions. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.